This is the Realme A1 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can scan documents using this smartphone and later transform them into a PDF file. So first of all, you gotta download and install the free Google Drive app if you do not have it already, of course. Then just go ahead and launch it. In here, tap on this little plus sign and choose the scan option. Grant Google Drive the camera permission if it asks for it, or if you haven't previously done that, of course. Then take a document that you wanted to scan, lay it flat and straight, not like I did, but wherever. Align it in the viewfinder, make sure to place it as straight as possible, and then tap on this little shutter button. After that, look at the scan that you have gotten, see whether you like it or not. If you want to retake a scan or retake a photo, tap on this little cross sign and simply do so. If you are satisfied with the result, tap on the check sign. In here, you can crop it fairly easily. So for some reason, it decided to scan only part of it, so I will adjust the area that I would like to turn into the actual document as I want to. Like so, let's say. As you can see, you can also adjust the edges unproportionally, like so, straightened out if needed. Once you're ready to save it, tap on the done button and then save. After that, you can rename the document, choose the folder which it will be saved to, and then once you're ready to finally save it, tap on save once again, and it should appear in the files list over here as the PDF document, of course. Here it is. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.